Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off that annoying inspection now light. Okay, consider subscribing if you find this useful. All right, let's fix this problem. Just follow these steps. I promise we will be done in no time. Okay, we're ready, let's go. Turn off the ignition. Put your foot on the brake. Turn on your hazard lights. Now push and hold the 00 set button. Now start the ignition while holding that button. After you started the car, simply let go of the button. Now it asks you, do you really want to reset inspection? What the hell did they think we're here to do? Just press OK on the steering wheel. Service is reset. How simple was that? One more thing, turn the ignition off and just restart the car, but don't forget to turn your hazard lights off. You might look pretty stupid. Anyway, everything should be clear. Consider subscribing, guys. Appreciate you watching today. And also check out my other Passat related videos.